Welcome back to Sui Crypto. Cetus is now live on Phantom Wallet and it's powering its in-wallet native swaps on Sui. We're going to test that out in this video, show you how easy it is now for Phantom Wallet's 15 million plus monthly users to access Sui ecosystem tokens without leaving the wallet. There's a post by Phantom. Sui swaps are now live again. Swap, Sui, Blub, Lo-Fi, and other Sui Network tokens in Phantom, powered by Cetus Protocol. So this is a huge deal for Cetus Protocol. It's a huge deal for Sui ecosystem tokens, and it's big for the Sui ecosystem in general as it's going to bring more users in just by reduced friction and exposure to Phantom's huge user base. So if you're not familiar with Cetus, they're the top DEX on Sui. This now powers Phantom Wallet's in-wallet swaps of Sui ecosystem tokens. So let's go ahead and test that out right now. Let's go to DEX Screener. Let's go to Sui to see all the ecosystem tokens. We're just going to take this first one right here, Toilet Dust. I don't know anything about it. It's a new meme coin, I guess, on Sui. We'll use it in this example. Let's go ahead and copy the contract address. Then let's open up Phantom Wallet, and I have Sui enabled. Let's go to swap, and then I'll just turn this around. Sui on top, click on this, and I'm going to search for the contract address. There it is, Toilet Dust, and then I'll just say 50%, which is 0.78 Sui. I don't have a lot of Sui in here. You can see it gave me a quote right away, and provider Cetus. So that's a big deal. Now all in-wallet swaps are being powered by the top DEX on Sui and Cetus. And so let's just go ahead and test this out. Slippage just set to auto. You can adjust this if you want to. We'll just leave it to auto. And again, review the swaps going through Cetus provider. We'll say swap now. All done. So that took about a second. If I go home, you can see that the Toilet Dust meme coin token now shows up in my Phantom Wallet. So this is reminding me more and more of what I saw happen with the Solana ecosystem and Phantom Wallet. It became so easy to buy Solana ecosystem tokens, specifically meme coins, utility tokens in Phantom. I think that was a big reason why the chain has experienced so much success and onboarded so many people. And now I'm starting to see the same thing happen with Sui and Sui ecosystem tokens. The friction is being removed thanks to Phantom Wallet, and now with Cetus powering their in-wallet swaps, the sky is really the limit for Sui. Again, just removing friction, making it super simple for anyone to buy tokens without having to leave their Phantom Wallet. So one more thing I'll point out is if we go to swap, and then you'll see here tokens trending, you can now sort by Sui ecosystem tokens, which is awesome. Just another form of mass exposure to Sui and the growing number of meme coins, AI agents, utility tokens within the ecosystem. So let's just click on Sui AI, and then I would just say swap, and then I could just say 50%. And again, just that simple now for people to access it, provided by Cetus. Go ahead and buy Sui AI right in Phantom Wallet. So just wanted to make this quick video to test this out. This is big news that I think is kind of flying under the radar. When the overall crypto market does bounce back, I feel like Sui is in really strong position out of all the new layer 1 chains to do really well. Not financial advice, please do your own research. I encourage you to check out some of my other videos on Sui, and hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.